In today's fast-paced digital world, marketers are constantly searching for ways to streamline their processes and increase efficiency. One area that often causes frustration is email marketing. With the sheer volume of emails being sent and received every day, it can be challenging for marketers to stand out from the crowd and engage their audience effectively. This is where email automation comes in. Email automation refers to the use of software or tools that allow marketers to send targeted, personalized emails automatically based on specific triggers or actions taken by the recipient. It takes away the manual effort of sending individual emails and allows marketers to focus on crafting compelling content and strategies. So why should every marketer embrace email automation now? Let's delve into some key reasons. Time-saving efficiency. Time is a precious resource for any marketer, and automating repetitive tasks can free up valuable time that can be better spent on other important aspects of marketing campaigns. By setting up automated workflows, you can create a series of emails that are triggered by specific events such as sign-ups, purchases, or website visits. This ensures timely communication with your audience without having to manually send each email. Personalized communication. One-size-fits-all approaches no longer cut it in today's highly competitive market. Customers expect personalized experiences tailored specifically to their needs and preferences. Email automation allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria such as demographics, behavior patterns, or purchase history. By delivering relevant content directly into your subscribers' inbox at the right time, you can build stronger relationships with them and increase engagement rates. Increased conversion rates. The ultimate goal of any marketing campaign is conversion, turning prospects into paying customers or encouraging existing customers to make repeat purchases. Email automation plays a crucial role in achieving this goal by nurturing leads through carefully crafted drip campaigns designed specifically for different stages of the customer journey. By sending targeted messages to the right people at the right time, you can guide them through the sales funnel and increase conversion rates. Improved customer retention. It's not just about acquiring new customers. Retaining existing ones is equally important for long-term business success. Email automation allows you to stay connected with your customers even after they've made a purchase. You can set up automated emails to thank them for their purchase, provide relevant product recommendations based on their previous purchases, or offer exclusive discounts and promotions. This helps in fostering loyalty and keeping your brand top of mind. Data-driven insights. Email automation platforms provide valuable data and analytics that can help you gain insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. By tracking open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and other metrics, you can measure the effectiveness of your email campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize future campaigns for better results. In conclusion, embracing email automation is no longer an option but a necessity for every marketer striving for success in today's digital landscape. The benefits are clear: time-saving efficiency, personalized communication, increased conversion rates, improved customer retention, and access to valuable data-driven insights. To get started with email automation, choose a reliable email marketing platform that offers robust automation features. Define your goals and objectives for using email automation. Segment your audience based on relevant criteria. Craft compelling content tailored to each segment. Set up triggered workflows based on specific events or actions. Monitor performance metrics regularly and make necessary adjustments. By implementing these steps effectively within your marketing strategy now rather than later will give you a competitive edge in engaging with your audience more efficiently while achieving higher conversion rates than ever before. So don't let frustration hold you back. Embrace email automation now. Remember, it's not just about saving time. It's about building meaningful connections with your audience and driving success for your business.